back to the vlog. It's every channel on YouTube. Subscribe for more. Parker's out there filming. So we're gonna be doing. Look, we have a cheese box. Hashtag not sponsored. Lena. If you don't quit it, I'm gonna have to put you up. Listen, just put Maverick down. Don't show the.
All right, guys, we had to start over because we had to pause the video because somebody wouldn't stop growling.
Okay, so we open this box. Chewy.com. Hashtag not sponsored. Oh dang. Okay, we're about to cut it because we had to redo the video. So, yeah, we haven't seen it yet. Okay, Lena, come here. Okay, you can probably get Maverick out now. Okay. We're not going to open it. So, we got some food. Look, Parker, we got some food. Show them the dog food. We got some dog food for Lena.
Hashtag not sponsored. None of this is sponsored, by the way.
No. Lena, come here,
It's all hashtag unsponsored.
So, we got some tennis balls. We'll open everything before we get to this. Okay, so we got some tennis balls. Lena loves tennis balls.
Oh, by the way, none of the stuff in this video is sponsored.
Go get it. Look at her. Oh, she's scared of Parker. Okay, so we got some tennis balls. You're not getting the rest right now. Okay, and then we bought Parker's dog some of these things. You want me to open it?
Sure.
Okay, we bought Parker's dog some of these things. He's going to have to bring his dog out in a minute to show y'all his dog play. This isn't for you, baby. We got Parker's dog these things. They don't smell good. Smell
Here,
it.
throw me one.
I think they're like scented.
Here.
Lena's smelling of one because she's wanting them. I think they're like scented.
Yeah, I don't know.
Here's your dog, the other one. So there's Parker's dog, the other one. You'll have to bring them out in a minute. Toss me that tennis ball. There's these things in there. Okay, we're just going to put that box in there. Okay. You ready? March, guys. March. Get it. She loves balls. What? And it's not too big for her. She can't carry it. Because she has a ball this big, but it got chewed up, so. See, look at her chewing it. Oh, carrying it. She likes it. This is her favorite toy. And I know tennis balls ain't good for dogs, but they know some anyway. Okay, so Parker can bring your dog out now.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna be right back. Bring my dog out.
There's Lena. She's playing with her balls. Get Lena's ball over here. Maverick has his own ball. You can show them Maverick playing now. I'll hold Lena back here. Give Lena her ball to play
Let me
with.
see. Camera.
No, I'll hold it. You just give Maverick his two toys. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Go get it.
Lena wanted to get it. He's wanting that thing.
Maverick, come here. Look.
That's Lena's ball, Parker.
You get a different one.
No, that we only get two out right now because they'll chew them up.
Maverick, look. Go get it.
Lena was wanting that. He don't want a ball right now. He wants that thing. He wants his bone, Parker. He wants his bone. Don't get any more out. They're going to chew them up. Now calm down. Look. You want to be in the video? You want them bones, Parker.
Maverick, look. Go get it.
Film Lena.
Oh my gosh.
Film Lena catch her ball. Sorry guys. Okay, so now we're going to film. Ready? Go get it. Oh, baby, you're scared. She's scared. You mad now? You mad now?
Oh, by the way, I'm doing all the editing in this video. So if you like it, tell Riley. File a complaint to Riley.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you something. Ready? Ready?
You know our channel name.
Oh, baby. That's what that's right. Ready? Ready? Lena, no. Ready? Ready? Sit. Lena, sit. Lena, sit. Sit.
Good girl.
She don't want it. She's mad. Hang on, her toenails twisted. Don't show this. Don't show this, Parker. She's so upset because he got told. She thinks she's getting food. She thinks Maverick's getting food. Mom, can I get Lena one of these? No, Mom? Okay, look. I'm going to eat my food. Okay, look. Sit. Sit. You gotta sit in a minute. Mom will tell you to sit. Sit. Eat your food.
Because he's supposed to be out now. Maverick, hold on. Just sit back for a second.
Yeah, I'll go put Lena up with her food ready to Maverick.
Well, that was interesting. Well, that was the Chewy unboxing. Chewy.com, hashtag not sponsored. Everything in this video, we don't have sponsors. Alright,
Lena got 3 different kinds of dog food.
yeah.
She's only ate the pink one.
Let's see, she got, okay, she's got, 1-800. Hold on, let me do something. 1-800-259-2999. Alright, she's got
Hey, look at this thing.
salmon
Mom, we get saved
Real beef.
$3 on Lena's.
and chicken. Chicken, beef, and salmon.
Look, we got this thing.
Off the 3. What is that?
Hey, we really don't need to show them the QR code, and they might steal it.
Well, it's fine, I guess.
No, look at the barcode's on the back, so you can show them.
Oh, yeah. There it is. Hashtag not sponsored.
Oh, these are warm. These cans are warm. From being outside.
They are warm.
Well, it just got
Hashtag not sponsored. How many copyright claims we gonna get on
Covering up.
the name? But it's fine, I guess.
So I'm gonna put Lena's food back up. Parker's dog didn't get any food because he has food, and Lena's didn't have any, so. They both got toys, though.
Maverick, you want the ball? Here, hold on. Here. Maverick, you want the ball? Go get it.
No, there's one. Parker, are you still video?
Yes.
Oh.
Do you want to do the outro?
Sassy so sweet, she's alive. Peace.